Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to KeneishaSays. I'm your girl Keneisha, and today we're gonna be doing something. Well, a vlog, another vlog. So we're going on the road, and we're gonna be going to the hairdresser, the hair salon, as you guys want to call it. And I'll be taking you along. So you're gonna be meeting my hairdresser, and we're just gonna hang for the day, right? So it's me and my little miss. She's trying to get me out of the house, but I'm trying to wait for her. I'm trying to get her what do you call it? Her bottle warmed for a bit. It's gonna take another 2 minutes, and then we're out of here. Before we go any further, I want you to check out my girl, Teaspoons on YouTube. So her channel is Teaspoons. That's TeeSpoonz. Tell her Keneisha sent you, okay? Go check her out. She talks about fashion, beauty, and just life in general. All right, so go check her out. So today's topic is gonna be a very touching one, right? But you know, me also what I need to say. Come in care. But when I ever think about why when I eat from people. Okay, baby, just stand right there. Tavania, stand right there, baby. Wait for a moment. Why we not eat from people? Right? From what they may see certain things on videos, and we used to see this more and more. We used to see this before, and you know, since we call America, and just not even yes, baby, bees, yeah, careful this thing here. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna say I'm not every Jamaican. Yeah, some Jamaican are licky. So when I'm for everybody, I want anything for them, right? Anything for them. But yeah, most of we don't eat from people because people nasty. People do anything in a kitchen. Them dirty and need flour, dumpling, right? And we're very careful about things we're going out, right? Let me tell you something. Here, coming here does not belong in a kitchen. That's a living room type thing, or if you want to go veranda or porch. Come on, here, come, baby. Teddy, this little girl have made her run all over the place. She want to play hide and seek. Then time of day, when I have places to go and things to do. So yeah, why would I eat from people? As I say, actually have some. I mean, we have some Jamaican where licky, yummy, love everything they put in their mouth. I don't want nothing yam. Everything they yam, right? But for original Jamaican, we know they go road every day and they eat from people. We know they go road and yam from people. We come a party, we better full come in our yard. We are going to a wedding. If you not no food at reception, we alright, because we eat already. We come on July 4th, we're good. Give me some water. Give me something from one buckle. What me don't have to open. And the reason for this is because we naturally know that people are nasty. You have people, they come here in a kitchen sink. They come here in a kitchen, they wash here in a kitchen sink, they wash wig in a kitchen sink. Who does that? Right? A baby in a sink and then something there. And then you talk about, oh, no wash out with bleach. I wash my toilet with bleach too, you know what I mean? So I'm supposed to nyam out it. Or wash my plate tonight. Washing things with bleach don't mean it, right? You're in a kitchen and cook. And you have hair all over the place, a flash. Eh? So what happens when the food, when all of them here they drop in their food? Yeah, so when you eat from people, you have you're dealing with in the kitchen, and then you have your hands touching all kind of dirty things or whatever. You don't wash your hands, you're handling the food. Don't talk about the fact that it's gonna cook and steam, don't touch it. It not make it right. Guys, that's not hygienic. Like, stop the nastiness. Stop them something nasty, man. Especially if you cook for kids. A matter of fact, no matter who you cook for, it's nasty. You understand? We look and see how some people attire. And if you cook for me, that's not John shop. Nah. That's not gonna happen. Home in here and doing all things, that's for living room, your bedroom if you want to do that, your bathroom. And in Jamaica we have veranda, or up here your porch or your deck. Understand? There's no reason you should be doing those things in kitchen where you handle food. We have this thing where you can't even, like, growing up, you cannot, and still I instill this in my kids. They cannot. You cannot come in my kitchen with your shirt off. Where you go? You need to have on a shirt. You need to have on a shirt to come in my kitchen. Right? I'm not telling you if you go bonnet up the here and then something when you come in to cook. No. But at least when you're in the kitchen, you're not to play the ear and you're not to do all these things for your hair to fly all over the place. You understand? I hate that I keep on saying you understand. A habit. I don't cut it out. I actually record myself. I say that too much time in a video. I don't cut it out. I promise you no. Great job, mommy. Cover it up and put it back in the cup holder. So, yeah. There's something not a hygienic man. Oh, I have it. Here you go.
I have it.
Yep.
I have it.
Yes, I had it. Sorry.
Got it.
Yeah. So, them something you have to stop. There's no reason you should be doing all these things. Just put in a...
Mommy.
When you reach the hairdresser.
Mommy.
When you reach the hairdresser, you get the chips, mama.
Huh?
When you reach the hairdresser, mommy cannot get the chips for you now, okay? You gotta wait. Alright? Okay? Okay. Yeah, no mind to Vanya on that back then. And that will happen when we include it in a video. But yeah, there's something alright. Wash your hands. No play the hair. And then something there. There's something else for kids. No, you can't do that. It's very unhygienic. Beard. Now just jump from outside bed and sit and wash your hand before you go in the kitchen to go get something to eat. You can't just jump from outside bed and just go in the kitchen. You have one man out there want to fill up on yourself at night time and stay for out on your pants. And you get up and go straight in the kitchen, go touch food. Got a nasty so. Stop there, something there. So anyways, with up our way, I go here just and she don't kill me because me ever late. Oh my goodness. Ever late. The hairdresser I start go. Actually, she's one of my friends now. It's crazy. One of my only friends here in the States. The first time I came up here and started looking for a hairdresser, you know, I found her. My sister-in-law introduced me, and I've been going there ever since. Everywhere she goes, I follow back her. She moved to 3 different places already. I follow back her. So that's how I am when it comes on to, you know, when I start go hairdresser, nail salon, like once me like how you do certain things, you have my business forever. And my hairdresser Jamaica can tell you, Deborah, big up yourself. I mean, no, say you're not going to hairdresser around here, yeah, here Cumber Road, me know you always say you're no hairdresser, right? Deborah been doing my hair. If I was still in Jamaica, I would be doing my hair for 17 years. From I just have my first son, TJ. Yes. And that's how it is, no matter when we go and come back. And the last time I come to Jamaica, I mean, Deborah, I wasn't able or you never available. I'm vexed. I mean, really way you touch up my hair. Me really way you put it at the night. It miss you. But me soon come back. But so far, Lorraine is doing a wonderful job. So, I go check her. I know she don't cuss me out. Come late. I'm going to stop and get patty. And Deborah used to cuss me too. Yeah, we're going to get patty, mommy. And And I'm still get the patty. Tavania, you know, so we're not about to get the patty. We get the patty after, okay? Because we're very late. Okay?
I'll go touch.
We get the patty after we finish, okay, mommy? Yeah. And yeah, so the next somebody I'm more big up to is Marsha. I met Marsha and Auntie Marsha, aka Kazi Boo. I met Marsha and Auntie Deborah at the same time, and I was actually looking for a hairdresser or a hairstylist, and you know, to get my nails done. And I met both of them at the same time, and I've been going to them ever since until my move come a foreign. And Marsha, same thing happened when I come out Jamaica, you there Florida. Really? You there Florida. So I not get fisted none of my people there when I come down the last time. But that can't happen when I come back. I don't need to touch me up. I need to do something. So I'm going to Lorraine. Almost reached my place, a patty place. It's not a juicy beef because juicy beef is my favorite patty. But up here, so they have golden crust. It's the next best thing. It's like, again, not a juicy beef, but can go on. It can go on. So that passes. So when I finish down there, then I go back over there. I know I said Lorraine though, puss up my back stitch for late. So I'm going to her first, and then we'll get the patty. Then so we reach.
Oh, that's no.
We soon get the patty, mommy. We reach, so we'll go in, introduce you, and they'll see how my hair done and all these things. And who the ask if my hair real, yes, it's real, so now they'll see the true color, the true length right now. Alright? So let's go. Let's all be safe, mommy. I'm gonna put on our mask, right? Get our mask.
Go back.
Huh?
Go back.
We're gonna go to Auntie Lorraine right there. Come, let's come over. Sit right here. I'm gonna put your mask on. And we don't take our mask off, right? Right? No, shake your head. All right. All right, guys. So we're gonna go out. I gotta get my stuff. Alright, so yes, baby. Yeah, the car is coming. We're not gonna make it bouncy, baby. We're gonna walk to the side, okay? Alright, so we're going into the hair salon. Woo! Here at my hair stylist, Auntie Lorraine. Meet her.
Hi.
It's Auntie Lorraine again, my one and only friend right now in Connecticut. I don't have no friends, so she's sorry for me. I'm my friend. So we're gonna watch her today and say hi to the man. Talk to the man.
Hi, everyone. This is Lorraine from LA Salon Suites in Hartford, Connecticut.
That's right. I hear her. Here she's. So, from a come fine, I should have done me here. Anyway, she should go, I follow back her. So we're gonna watch her today do my hair. It's a hot mess. Me there try to catch up it today. See? So we're gonna watch her do my hair, and as usual, you say she not cuss me, thank God, because my nose me always late. See, it's my hair. I would have asked if I real ear. It's mine. So we're gonna have it perm today, right, Auntie Lauren?
Yes, ma'am.
We're gonna perm it.
Yes, ma'am.
I start at the thing and look like somebody picnic. Alright? So let's do this thing.
You have to make sure all the chemical is out of the hair. You have to, or else you leave chemical in the back of the hairline. That's big trouble. It's not because I can't afford shampoo now. It's because the cannot get down to the bottom of the bottle. Okay.
So I'm underneath the dryer. I'm doing a deep condition or deep treatment or whatever you want to call it. I hate the dryer, but this up and so bad yet until when I go into the rollers. That's gonna take forever because of the length of my hair. That's the disadvantage of long hair. I forget for telling us that Lorraine, can I believe meeting her up here first time in my life? Only to realize that she know almost half of my family in Jamaica on my father's side. She and one of my auntie, our best friend of my picnic. And she know almost all of them down there. That's crazy. Small world, right? And as my dad talk about an eating thing, the people well, we don't eat from people and then something there. She wanna know what I eat from. When I'm pregnant, she have to deal with my fish and everything, and when I can't go or cook out them or something, she knows that my fish have to come over. Because she a clean, proper person. Yeah. So, big up to Auntie Lorraine. She gone around Canada now. Yeah. So, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so. Don't forget to like and share this video. I'm back underneath this dreadful dryer. I have the rollers in. This normally take like up to an hour and 15 minutes of dreadful heat. And then we'll be out of here. Get some pretty. And then we go yard. But I wanted to finish up by telling you guys about, eating from people. I'm a normal honest, like, so hold on, it's a restaurant and them place there. I do, but very rarely. Like my family and I, we don't go out regularly to eat. Once in a blue moon. I would pick with this spot we could go eat. If I look on particular way or whatever, not me now come to your place neither. And I know you'll be like, but you don't know what I did in the kitchen. But yeah, we're just very picky with which one I go. How the place look. Or chef them look. And yeah, so we just not eat from people. You know how long it took me to eat from even my mother-in-law? Even right now, if my husband is going somewhere and look get some food, you know, call me and say, babes, may I get some food? I say, you want some? She carry come. Or if you carry anything come at the house, so a cake or anything, you have to tell me oh bake it and ask for one piece. I know something like that. My mother-in-law, if she don't cook soup, she will call me and say, my daughter, may I get some soup from so and so. You want none? You're missing over some? So, everybody know my son. My kids are the same thing, especially my older child, TJ. TJ, make sure I'm fully belly before I go anywhere else. And not eat from anybody. I just saw most Jamaicans are like that. Because I don't know what I did in the kitchen. Someone are too nasty. When if you stop there something there. And what we call nasty on the city as nasty, that's the worst part. Like on the city, I do nothing wrong. On the city, like it okay. But certain things you have to do in the kitchen. And if you're not going to the kitchen, you have to proper. Then fingernail and something to clean out. Yeah. So check back with you again. Alright, hey guys. So I'm done with the hairdresser. And I'm about to head home. I wanted to stop by Golden Crest and get some patty, but I'm too tired. So, and plus Miss Mom's around here getting miserable, so we're just gonna head straight home. So, Keneisha says, I'm gonna leave you with a quote real quick. Is don't carry your belly everywhere you go, right? Remember that not everybody's as clean as you are. And so therefore, you will go around and get diarrhea and all these things. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, share, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Until later.
How you feel for say? Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.